As we rock below before them, we did those, we take water ton. See now the water is clean. Yeah. So now this clean water we take, we go put fire pan there, put fire under. So now this water get for boil tea, it dry, turn sun. This dirty, yes. And for 2 years now, we clear this front and back. At the old one. We will put yesterday.
Okay.
That when this water don't drain this now, because I'm done with it also. So we pull this one. This one, now from 7 o'clock this morning. And I don't need it also now. As this water don't drain this now, that will clear. And the last one they drain so now. It depends on the water.
Okay.
It depends on this water. Where this water clean, that's so the salt they clean by the pan. You see that thing there? Now they put it under.
This one like net.
Yes. Now they put it under. So now you take the dirty no more put on. So for spread this one here. This one here, and the sifter, the water they can't clean. This one. As any time we pull this dirty, this will be some fine. We put them back. Today, tomorrow. Today, tomorrow. Because if it depends on you able no more. If you able, so you can clear this one. Now next step you work. Now the same pan they work this all two. The last one, the first one, we don't pull out.
Okay.
The second one now in this. The last one now we can turn now. When the late water, where the thing they run down, the salt they run down now.
Okay.
And the last one down. The first one they pull one blind. This they full up.
Okay.
After I don't drain, we turn up and blind.
But that water we drain, una the boil am back?
No, not the boil am. We go turn up and for 9 days.
Oh, by the funnel.
9 days so.
Okay.
So we not for boil again. If we boil and the water, the salt not they clean.
Okay.
We get for good turn up and for 9.
So the funnel that first one, that first process.
Yes, nine the work.
Then from there we get this. But I find out say this and then this one look clean past the wire.
I say now the last one now this. The last for end for prepare now. No do other work. If we able, we can put back.
Okay.
As that water they don't drain. According to able no more. When you able, you clear that funnel. We put back. We can work on a net.
So where you don't get to, like how much bag salt you can get for day or per this process? You can come out 2 bag, 3 bag, 10 bag.
We take account by the blind.
Okay, now by blind. Okay.
That blind I know the account so they go inside. Where I don't pull up on this now.
So like how much bag they come under?
Down they take then 6 bag. This one I don't pull up on this now. Before I get for put on a high.
So how you do for pull this common here, go na market to the one the way you want her? Because for Canada it's not easy.
People they come out and look for can buy this one.
Oh, now then they can buy it to
Yes,
you.
and then they can buy.
You know to eat the carry and go.
I know they go with them.
Okay.
Then they can buy.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Na family na good day. Me na Abdullah Kuruma. Me na the headman of Makemba village. Makemba village from Freetown, you go drive from 4 miles. From here to 4 miles and 7 miles away. We reach 4 miles, you go able car inside Makemba. Ask any Okada driver, then will drive you bring you come for car inside Makemba. So as you reach, just here you go Makemba, so you not go that for car inside here. Well, this village we need when rather than big one and make them see but because of the CC we can't find no steps and we can't at the last side. We try no more but still heavy power because if you see we good network, we get good network at the same time the school now we no more they manage the school. We don't try for fight for like government go help we but all thing and they up till now as I the talk. The picking and will mean get them but because of the poverty, we ABC with the strain how would they get money for pay for picking and almost they reduce. That's me cooking cry to una the big people them as soon as they read me message, would I get for help for let go put and say back while education go through. The picking and in at the village is like over 300 within in at the village. But the number at the school now be 150, but you know for pay school. So it been the money because of we know say now we the people that they provide for pay school fees. Somehow then they get things for it in money. So the number increased it go to 65, but the number of the school the total now be 150. Because the triangleness or how do you get there in money make the picking is over 300 within at the village. So now that's the money because we get people that help we all the amount we able get inside the school for their education will take over the salon. More it call the fishing, the cook soul, then they do garden. Now then one and they would take get money, but they back the garden back pass spend money at this for the same time for the they spending money back they loss. The fishing back you know, get fishing, but not to big fish. Now small fish you get. Now then small boats. Now they will get if they fish, not to big fish they fish. And a small amount you go get from that fish. They get for eat from that fish. Then you get for pay for school. If they not go reach, you know what do for Lord we able help with picking there. Or free education not reach to where it. We in a community management school we they do. Now we in the community just they manage for let school they go up. When that make we cry to they would the big one them we try for send them message there for let government go drive car inside can see how the stream inside we let government can help we for let we picking them back land because they say if you keep picking a house it will get crime. Make we back with the cry to government for let government help we for let we get more picking for land at this village. We will like education. Well now this now the message they left to farm will them for let the farm will go area. Now this done the month now we now this area now this village. The road a mona for let motuka inside we try for let we make am but you know motamani kiwana kwito kiden say kiwana body and short all them thing then okay take for make the road but we not able make we cry to the people as I see na yanda go able stop then we go able talk to other posse we be say that the teachers them then back where they operate at the school me would the aid man that na my last message I go able talk to people and tell them say bye bye.
Me na Samson Kuka, me na teacher inside this community, Makimba. When the school it don't established for since 2008, now they build this school here by the community. Because the community is over 200 houses and it hosts about 300 children. But because of the poverty of the people, they're not able to put all the children at the school. We look at the government not ever can hire for can build school. We look at we say we can in for build up the children so that they will be future where we go harvest them tomorrow in the good way. So therefore I don't serve inside the square with constraints. If you look at the school, no good condition. Since when they build no renovation not take place inside the school. Dilapidated wall, the wall all don't crack. The doors they all don't broke cook. The community no get money. How we go manage the school? Now small something. What we just force the people them make able give so that we go buy chalks them now and buy books them. Furnitures we not get that we not get hands to buy furnitures because the finance not enough to buy furnitures. We want made them able for more they able for extend them. The three class resume them with a just combined one class per two as 1 in 2. Even the floors they actually if you go inside the sir, you know go see say the floor they're not maintained. They all broke gravel. Money no day. This community na part of Sierra Leone and the picking them back na Sierra Leone as them. So we want whosoever them picking their day, make Papa government come in and take them with education so that they all not go be left behind tomorrow. They will be educated in future so that they go able for help then family them tomorrow when they get old. We own educational backgrounds. We not reach tertiary education. We don't reach that tertiary level yet. But because of we no one for see education they lack, so therefore we come in and the small one we get we go able for transfer them to the small picky them. We don't sell many badges for NPSE and they do well. They extremely do well. They always be in leading position. So the nearest surrounding schools. Well, Makimba is like it will be impossible because the picky them the nearest school. Let me say the nearest school at the talk about nearest school is about 2 miles away. So you know it will be impossible for picking for Waka for go the nearest school when about 2 miles away. We get classes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, I go appeal to everybody. Whosoever you dey, just focus. We and seek we interest. We in favor of you. You will get interest for help. We go appeal to you. Make you come in and rescue we from this status. We thank you.
My name Musa Sise, commonly known as Mr. Sise. I'm a teacher at Kailenka Agricultural Primary School in Makimba. I teach class 4 and 5. Well, another way, this school will able help this community because what we feel, we make we gather them pick say that we they nurture them from the primary school. And for now we get tertiary institution picking SF or secondary school, it start from primary level. If we not able to get any picking who they attend primary level, I think say tertiary institution in the future, they not get nobody who get for attending. So we can see back, say this picking there, let them not be left out. So we all gather them because if you think of the small picking, they own about 5-6 years, they're not able to go now the nearest school where they are. So if you have not team up for now make school here, now we able to develop the picking there, I think at the end of the day then go left out. So that make we decide for now we say get school here. And this school, like how my brother be say, it don't be from 2008 and then build the school. You don't send Boku products then at the secondary school. A lot of them don't sit worse and they come up with fine results. Well, if government and free education benefit, church this school, one, we able benefit the picking them because we get one thing we will say like this child labor. Education we able eradicate this. Then the picking them, we will then they go to early marriage. They're not able to go in early marriage because of them they can go school. But this only give the cause just because of picking them, not they go school. And then they find out, say, this is a needless for less, he don't no more house with a feed them. So as soon as he's 15 or 16 years, they decide for get to married. But if they educate, we need to say tomorrow, themselves able can build up their own village for themselves with their own little amount of education we then get, provided if they go get jobs then at home, on at the big side. So with education, go make the village self-develop. Because they get products the way educate with some of them so we don't go out, we able can do well for their own town. And that's what feel say education we able to develop your own village. Just like how me other teacher be don't say. And what more want let them do for we at this school. This little who we call for the 3,000 per child, class 1 to 3. Class 4 to 5 we called 5,000. We enough for even make the chairs them. Now in don't drive Boku picking out of the school, where them be there up to 150. But now, if the government able kind and cow this free education, or they able assist them, cow Boku help like for make the school materials them and other thing. I think say we self go able endeavor for train the picking them for let them do well. Because me presently me they talk to now, I don't know me third year, now only for sit me NCTV and a PLTC. But I can't at this school so that I go able to manage up, I deal with the school. You know, so God put on, they help the school. Me say I go able to go sit me NCTVA, I get my own certificate as a teacher.
Pambulem, we don't hear waiting. We brothers then don't talk about this school. So since Sierra Network we serve there, we just want to make a small donation to the teachers then and including the headman. We go able for help for it's not that much, but at least that's something. We go able for help the school. And on behalf of Sierra Network, I give you on this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We say a word of thanks. May God provide more. May God bless. What you don't do so, may God add more. Thank you.
Thank you.